I said? What Journey done said? Cause baby, Journey super quiet, bitch. And you see Scalp super quiet. Scalp ain't been live. What y'all? I'm trying to figure out what they running for. Journey, what happened to that money that you raised? Huh? See, I'm gonna tell you something. See, Tommy K, she should have shut the fuck up. She should have shut the fuck up. I'm gonna tell you something. See, Tommy K should have never said nothing about Auntie Pam stealing or none of that because it raises questions about other people that raise money. You get what I'm saying? Who dropped Auntie Pam badge? What? Girl, Miss White says she don't know nothing about that. Hold on. Auntie Pam badge is gone? Y'all lying. Don't say that, y'all. Her badge not gone. No, it's not. Show me proof. She dropped Joe badge. That bitch ain't dropped no Auntie Pam badge. Yes, please check. Yeah, they dropped Joe badge. She ain't dropped Auntie Pam badge. Yeah, it's Joe.